कृष्णैकचेतमदमोऽविनाशकारिन् मध्ये श्रीगोचर प्रभो प्रभुपादस्वामिन् दोषाविवृद्धि परिदूषितमन्दबुद्धे संचिन्तयामि चरणौ तव भक्तिहेतो दयालु सदा सच्चिदानन्दरूपा दयालु सदा सच्चिदानन्दरूपा गुरो भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिन् नमस्ते गुरो भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिन् नमस्ते प्रभो पाहि मां मायया पूर्णग्रस्तम् प्रभो पाहि मां मायया पूर्णग्रस्तम् विधेहि प्रभो भक्तिसूत्रेण नद्धम् विधेहि प्रभो भक्तिसूत्रेण नद्धम् ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्रीमद्भागवतम 7:9-37 तस्मै भवान् हयशिरास् तनुवं च बिभ्राट् तस्मै भवान् हयशिरास् तनुवं च बिभ्राट् वेदाद्रुहौ अतिबलौ मधुकैटभाख्यौ वेदाद्रुहावतिबलौ मधुकैटभाख्यौ हत्वा आनया श्रुतिगणान् तु रजस्तमश्च हत्वा नया श्रुतिगणांस्तु रजस्तमश्च सत्वं तव प्रियतमा तनुम् आमनन्ति सत्वं तव प्रियतमां तनुमामनन्ति तस्मै भवान् हयशिरास्तनुवं च बिभ्राट् वेदाद्रुहावतिबलौ मधुकैटभाख्यौ हत्वा नया श्रुतिगणांस्तु रजस्तमश्च सत्वं तव प्रियतमां तनुमामनन्ति भवान् हयशिरास्तनुवां च बिभ्राट् वेदाद्रुहो अतिबलो मधुकैटभाख्यो नया श्रुतिगुणांस्तु रजस्तमश्च सत्वं तव प्रियतमां तनुं मामनन्ति तस्मै हयशिरास्तनुवं च बिभ्राट् वेदाद्रुहावतिबलौ तस्मै unto Lord Brahma.
Anyone?
तस्मै भवान् तस्मै unto Lord Brahma. Bhavan Your Lordship. Hayashiraha, like the neck and head of a horse. Tanuvang, incarnation. Cha, and. Vibrat, accepting a body like that. Veda Druha, the demons who are against the Vedic principles. Ati Balo, unto two extremely powerful demons. Madhu Koitabhakya, known as Madhu and Koitaba. Hatva, killing them. Anayat, delivered. Suruti Ganangs, to all the different Vedas. Sama, Yajur, Rik and Atharva. Rajas Tamascha, the demons in the modes of passion and ignorance. Sattvam, pure and transcendental. Tava, your. Priyatamang, the bodies of such incarnations as Hayagriva. Tanum, forms. Amananti, can accept. Translation. My dear Lord, when you appeared as Hayagriva with a head like that of a horse to kill the two demons named Madhu and Koitaba, who were full of the modes of passion and ignorance, after killing the demons, you delivered the Vedic knowledge to Lord Brahma. Therefore, all the great saintly persons accept your forms as transcendental, untinged by material qualities.
Tasmai bhavan hayasirastanuvam cha vibrat vedadruhavati balo madhukaitavakho hatya anayat chitigananstu rajastama cha satyamatava priyataman tunumamamanti. So, spiritual kingdom is beyond this material world, made of three modes of material nature, sattva, rajas, tama. So when incarnation of the Supreme Lord comes, Dada dadai dharmasya glani bhavati, Krishna has given us. We are fallen down from the spiritual kingdom to this material world on account of desiring to fulfill our material senses. But Krishna is so kind that he has given us the Vedic literature. Anadi Bohirmukh Jeev Krishna Bhuli Gela. This is the statement in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Ataev Krishna Ved Purana Korila. Because we have forgotten Krishna, Anadi. Anadi means before the beginning of this creation. The beginning of this creation is called Adi, beginning. But our forgetfulness of Krishna is Anadi. Anadi Bohirmukh. We are working in this life, in this material world, struggling for existence, to get happiness. That is the aim of life. But because we have forgotten Krishna, we do not know the source of happiness, Anandamaya Abhyasa, the Anandamaya Vigraha, Satchidananda Vigraha, we have forgotten Krishna. Still we are searching after Ananda, blissfulness. This is our struggle for existence. Manasasthani indriyani prakriti-sthani karasat. We are in this prakriti, in this material nature, prakriti-sthani, and being dictated by the mind, making plans to become happy, but that is not possible. Manasasthani indriyani prakriti-sthani. This is due to our forgetfulness. We are struggling for existence to get happiness, but because we do not know what is the source of happiness, it is called struggle for existence. This is going on. So this is going on not only in this life, before this life also, anadi. So once we get the chance to understand what is the problem of life, and this human life is given a chance by evolution, by nature's way, 8,400,000 species of life we are coming through, then the nature has given one chance, this human form of life. Now it is for understanding what is our position. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. But if we do not take care of this questioning, Ke ami kano more jape tapotroy. Sanatana Goswami placed this inquiry before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. To approach Guru means to inquire about himself, what I am. That is intelligence. Sanatana Goswami was the minister, is very opulent. Tatyachurnamashesha mandalapati saning sada tuchha. But when he came to his senses, after meeting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he wanted to know what I am. This is real inquiry. He could be very satisfied to get answer himself that I am minister, I have got so big salary, I am so respect. No, he was not satisfied. He went to Guru, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Their Vedic injunction is Tadvijnanatham sa gurumeva abhigachet. Everyone is conscious of the struggle for existence, but they are not serious enough that why the struggle for existence, that why required. That is human life. The dog is suffering, is hungry, is going to a place for some food, and instead of food he is getting stroked by the stick. He barks very. He is disappointed. I wanted food, but I got the stick. I wanted bread, I got stoned. This is going on. This is going on. And therefore in the human society also, they are also struggling and making plans for economic development, so that instead of stone they can get bread. But this struggle is going on. But there is no settlement. That is not possible. That is not possible. Either you go to this country or that country, you accept this ism or that ism, unless you come to Krishna, there is no possibility of peace. That is stated very simple words in the Bhagavad Gita, that how to stop this struggle for existence. Bhoktaram jagatavasam sarvaloka maheshwaram suridam sarvabhutanam gyatya mam shanti. This is going on. As soon as there is creation, Brahma was created and he was given the Vedic knowledge. Tini Brahma Rida Adikavaye. We get it. Brahma was born, he was to establish the kingdom of God, or as Brahma was born, the other living entities also were in the body of Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. They were also to take birth later on. And before their birth, Brahma was instructed Vedic knowledge. Vedic knowledge means these bewildered living entities struggling for existence may get Vedic knowledge so that they can revive their old original Krishna consciousness. This is the purpose of Vedic knowledge. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Vedaisya sarvai ahameva vedyam. The Vedic, what is Vedic knowledge? Vedic knowledge means to revive our Krishna consciousness. That is Vedic knowledge. If you revive your Krishna consciousness, that is the perfection of Vedic knowledge. But if you read only Vedas and perform formalities, ritualistic ceremonies, but you do not awaken your Krishna consciousness, that is useless waste of time. That is stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Dharmasyanusthita pamsang vishaksina katha sujya notpadayad rating jadi sramaeva hi kevalam. You may be a very religious person. Never mind, you are Hindu, Muslim or Christian or anyone, and according to your religious principle, ritualistic ceremonies, you execute very nicely. Sanasthitam pumsam. But after doing all these things, if you do not become God consciousness, God conscious, or you do not understand what is God, then the Bhagavad says that it is simply waste of time. Samayeva hi kevalam. So human life is meant for understanding the Supreme, our connection with the Supreme Being. That is real human life. Therefore, the Vedas are there. So, as soon as Brahma was born, because he is in charge of this universe, there are innumerable universes and innumerable Brahmas. Jasya prabha prabhavatu jagadanda koti jasyaika nishasita kalamathavalamba jivanti loma vilaja jagadanda natha. Brahma is Jagadanda Nath. He is the chief person within this material world, in this universe. So, he is in charge, therefore he was given the Vedic knowledge. And he got the Vedic knowledge, but at the same time, two demons known as Madhukaita, they wanted to snatch away, take away the Vedic mantras from Brahma. This is the attempt from the very beginning. The devotees, like following the disciplic succession of Brahma, just like we are, we belong to the Brahma Sampradaya, several times I have explained. So, our original Guru is Brahma, Swayambhu, therefore he is one of the great personality, Swayambhu, Narada Sambhu, Kapila Kumara Manu. These are 12 Mahajans, men of authority. So Brahma is man of authority, the demigod, the supreme demigod, the best of the demigods. So these Madhukaitava, they took away Rajastama. Why? They were full of Rajastama. And Brahma is Satagun. So Satagun and Rajastama, this material world, there is three qualities, so there is always struggle. If you want to remain in the Satagun, then the Rajastama gone, they will give him trouble. Rajastama bhava, tatu Rajastamo bhava, kamalubha dayaste. So we are trying to introduce the Satagun and above Satagun, Suddha Sat. This Satagun, just like sometimes we experience that one person is elevated to the Brahminical principle, sannyasi principle, but all of a sudden he falls down, he becomes a demon. We have got experience. He becomes demon. So this material world is so contaminated that even you are on the Satagun, there is chance of being contaminated by the Rajasthan. The struggle is there. Therefore, we have to become very, very careful. Krishna will help. If you want to remain in Satagun, in purity, then Krishna will help. Just like here, as soon as Brahma was disturbed by the demons full of Rajagun and Tamagun, immediately the Lord came in Hayagriva Murti, incarnation. That is, Krishna is also very much anxious to give us Konti apradijanihi name bhakta pranasadi. If you remain a pure devotee, always surrender to Krishna, you should know it very well that Krishna will give you protection in any calamity. Don't be worried. Simply, we must have the faith. That is surrender. Surrender means avasya rakhibe Krishna vishwasa palam. You must be faithful that I am engaged in Krishna's service. I may go to hell or heaven, it doesn't matter. I am going to serve him. It is sure that Krishna will give me protection. So there should be no hesitation. If somebody is ordered, go to hell and preach Krishna consciousness, he should remain faithful to Krishna and Krishna will give all protection. Right. This is the principle. Krishna's business is yada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati tadatmanam sijami paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya. So this sadhu means Krishna bhakt. Sadhu not this dress. If you are always keeping Krishna within yourself, then you are sadhu. And you are yogi also. Yogi namapi sarvesam madgata antaratmana sadhyavan bhajati jumang samijuktato. These things are there. Always. Manvana bhava mad bhakta madhyajimang namaskuru. So those who are always keeping Krishna within the heart, they are sadhu. So paritrana sadhuna, they are sadhus. Sadhu means who are always engaged in Krishna's service, always thinking of Krishna. So here, as Brahma was protected from the great demons, Madhukaita, Prahlad Maharaj was protected by the great demon, from the great demon, Hiranyakasipu. There are many, many instances. So, the demons are always there, they are always ready to disturb devotees. That is going on. But a devotee's business is to revive the Krishna consciousness of the conditioned soul. That is devotee's business. As Krishna comes personally to give them some help, similarly, Krishna's servants also, they take Krishna's business and try to help this fallen conditioned soul to revive their original Krishna consciousness. So here is the example that Brahma was given the Vedic knowledge. Tene Brahma Rija Adikava. Brahma is Adikavi. He is the first learned man within this universe. We do not follow this nonsense Darwin theory. And our beginning of this creation is from the most learned man, Brahma, not from the monkey. We do not follow this rascal philosophy. We do not follow. So, our beginning is Lord Brahma, a devotee of Krishna, empowered to spread Krishna consciousness, Vedic knowledge. Why Vedas there? Nanadi bohinmo vijiv Krishna bhuli gela, ataye Krishna Ved Purana korila. So Ved Puran is required. Why the Vedas have that Puran? To revive our Krishna consciousness. And the gist of the Vedadi Shastra is Bhagavad Gita. Sarva Shastra, Vinidya. So, if we read Bhagavad Gita carefully, spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and follow it according to the direction of the Brahma and his disciplic succession, then Krishna will give you all protection from the demons. There is no doubt. That is Krishna's business. He said, Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bha. Dharmasya glani means discrepancy in the matter of understanding Veda. That is dharmasya glani. We have read in the 6th chapter, Veda bhitang dharma. Dharma means which is enjoined, which is ordered by the Vedas. Shruti. Chaitanya, our Rupa Goswami said, Shruti smriti puranadi pancharatriki vidhing vina aikantiki harer bhakti utpataya. So we must follow Shruti smriti puranadi shastra vidhi. Krishna condemns such persons, rascals, who do not accept this shastra vidhi and manufacture something. These rascals have spoiled the whole world. No, shastra vidhi, the Vedic knowledge. Anadi bahirmukh jeev Krishna bhuli gela, atayv Krishna Ved Purana. So we have to take protection of the Vedic knowledge, and that is summarized, and Srimad Bhagavatam is the ripened fruit of Vedic knowledge. Nigama kalpatara galitam phalamidam. Kalpataru, the tree, you get a tree, you protect tree. So this Vedic knowledge is called kalpataru. Kalpataru means whatever you want, you can get from the tree. Here we have got experience, you can get mango from the mango tree. But kalpataru, you can get mango, apple, pineapple, anything. That is called kalpataru. So, from the Vedas, you can get all kinds of knowledge, material, spiritual, anything. That's what is called kalpataru. And the kalpataru, toru means tree, and the tree, we nourish tree to get a nice fruit. So this Bhagavatam is the fruit of the Vedic tree, kalpataru, and it is ripened also, not unripened. Unripened fruit you cannot eat, but ripened in the tree, mango, is very palatable. So it is nigama kalpataru galitam phalamidam. So if we read Srimad Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita, these two literatures, then we get all Vedic knowledge. And then we can revive our Krishna consciousness. And to do this business, there is no difficulty. Krishna will give you all protection, provided you remain, adhere to the lotus feet of Krishna. Mami vaja prapadante maya me tan taranti. The maya will not touch you, you will be happy. Thank you very much.